Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing in with your school Google account so your class roster and calendar sync. This is why you must use the right account. Once signed in, open the calendar event or meet. Google, and click Join or enter the meeting code. That immediately places you in the waiting room if enabled. Before you enter, make sure to allow camera and microphone permissions and run the quick audio check. If you need, switch to headphones to avoid feedback. Once you're in, manage your presence. Mute when not speaking and use spacebar for quick push-to-talk so you don't interrupt. This keeps audio clean. When presenting, click Present and pick Tab, Window, or Entire Screen. Pick Tab for better video performance and remember to share audio if showing a video. Use the chat for links and questions, raise your hand to speak, and join assigned breakout rooms. Record sessions only with instructor permission to respect privacy and policy. When class ends, click Leave to free up bandwidth and check calendar or Drive for recordings and any shared notes so nothing is lost. If captions or recordings were enabled, download them or move them into a class folder for quick review. If you run into problems, first rejoin the meeting. If that fails, switch to another device or browser, test headphones versus speakers, and clear your browser cache. These quick fixes resolve most audio and video issues and get you back in class fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.